Audrey. Welcome back to my channel. So I haven't posted a YouTube video in months. I'm so sorry about that. I've honestly just been busy with other things, and LA is still pretty weird, so there's not really much to film right now. So if you live in the LA area, you'd know that the gyms reopened about 3 weeks ago, but yesterday they actually just closed them again. But since we're basically in quarantine again and home workouts are all that we really have to do right now, I recently downloaded this app called the Flat Tummy app. So I'm super excited to try this. They have over 450 workouts that you can do at home with no equipment. So this is perfect to have during this time. And they also have a bunch of different recipes for all different diet types, like vegan, keto, intermittent fasting, or like me if you just have a standard diet. I have been thinking about going vegan though, so if I ever try that, I'll let you guys know how it goes. But yeah, I've been ordering Postmates way too much during this quarantine, and I've noticed that it's taking a toll on my body. Like, my skin isn't as nice as it normally is. I just feel kind of tired, like I don't have enough energy. So when I saw that this app had all of these great recipes, I was like, okay, I need this. The app is really easy to use. It has a bunch of different workouts that target your upper body, lower body, full body, and it has different experience levels. Like, you could start as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Also, the recipes look so good. I was looking through them and there's so many that I want to try to cook. I'm not really that great at cooking, but I want to get better at it. So hopefully this app will help me do that. They have a bunch of different recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. So I'm super excited to try that. So the cool thing about the Flat Tummy app is that a lot of the workouts are 30-day challenges, which for me personally, I like that because it kind of motivates me to be more consistent and to keep up with my workouts and track the progress. Okay, so after I looked through all of the workouts, I decided that I want to do the 30-day squat challenge on the intermediate level. So let's get into that. Okay, so I've been doing the squat challenge for a few days now and it's going well. And I just went to the grocery store, so now I'm gonna make a recipe on the app. I love avocado toast, so I saw an avocado toast recipe on there and I thought that would be perfect for me to make because it's pretty easy to make and I already love avocado toast, so I know I'll like it. And this avocado toast is a little bit fancier than your typical avocado toast. It has some extra ingredients to put on it, so let's make it together. Okay, so these are the ingredients. We got an avocado, some gluten-free whole grain bread, fresh basil leaves, some English peas, and radishes. There was one more ingredient on the list. It was called nutritional yeast, but they didn't have it at the store, so I'm just gonna make it without that. Okay, so I chopped up the basil leaves and the radishes, and then I mixed the avocados and the peas in together, and it looks like the toast is ready too. So let's start making this avocado toast. Alright, the avocado toast is complete. This looks so good. I cannot wait to devour this. Alright, so I'm about to eat my avocado toast, so I'm gonna end this video, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, turn on my notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And comment if you have any video suggestions down below because I'm all out of ideas, so I want to hear your ideas. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye!